Here's that young and blower. The subway's been down all day.
Très bizarre.
And the lineup's been around the block all day long, all day long. It's pretty cold, about -8 degrees Celsius, feels like -13. Got a Trudeau must go carved in the snow here. People are frustrated a little bit. Just a bit, not much. Pretty cold. The problem is there's missing buses. Not many buses show up. So if you have to wait around the block, and when you get here, then you gotta wait for a while for the buses. Some people said they've been waiting in this line for 45 minutes, sometimes quicker than others. But it is what it is. A little bit of a problem with Toronto and cold weather. There you go, it's the front of the line. Let's go see if there's any buses coming or not.
Out there so far, that map,
Nope, nothing in sight. Got the TTC people helping out.